Hello, and welcome to Tuscan Paving Stone. Today we're going to talk about pool deck renovations, and we're going to show you how to do a 1-inch paver overlayment on an existing concrete pool deck. This pool deck has what's called a concrete cantilever coping, and meaning the edge of the pool is part of the concrete deck itself. And the first thing we're going to do is take a saw and cut the very edge of that concrete coping off so that we're flush with the waterline tile. Okay, we have the edge of the deck cut off, and it's cut back flush with the waterline tile that's inside the pool. Okay, now we're going to install a remodel brick coping. This is a 4-inch by 9-inch by 3 3/4 inch remodel brick. And as you can see, it wraps around the face of that old coping and covers up the edge. Now it's time to install the pavers. This particular shape is called Stonehurst. The color is called Sierra, and these pavers are a 3-piece system. It's a 9 by 12, a 9 by 9, and a 6 by 9. They're 1 inch thick, and we just put them down right over the concrete. As long as your concrete is flat and even, you can throw these pavers down right on top of the existing concrete. And here we have our finished product. You can see the remodel coping that wraps around the edge of the pool. That color is called sandstone. And you can see how it finishes off. The pavers butt right up against that coping and go over the existing concrete deck. The 1-inch pavers are a perfect solution for going over existing concrete. If your concrete's cracked or if it's painted and chipped and flaking and all that, you can go right over the existing concrete with this product. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the show. If you have any questions, visit www.tuscanpavingstone.com.